So how do radio DJs and presenters make the big bucks? Let's find out. You may be assuming, if you're trying to get into radio and become a DJ or presenter, that all you need to do is get a chance to become a DJ and the money comes rolling in. The easy life of only working 3 hours a day and earning a king's ransom. But unfortunately, radio presenters don't actually get paid very much in general. You must be thinking, that's not true. I've seen radio DJs driving expensive cars, living in big houses, so of course they make a lot of money. Yes, they do, but not from being radio presenters. They make their money from other work, such as DJing for clubs, doing voiceovers, emceeing for events, acting in TV adverts, and endorsing brands. The really smart radio DJs actually take the money they earn and use it to start other businesses that have nothing to do with radio. You may be asking, why would radio stations not pay much to radio DJs and presenters? The answer is quite simple, and that answer coming up, but remember to join the DJ Club, link in the description. The radio stations know how much money DJs can make doing other things. They also know that being on radio gives them those opportunities. So they don't need to pay very much. The presenters will be all too happy to do the radio shows to simply grow their public profile and keep being involved in other high-paying work. So if you want to be a really successful radio presenter, you need to build your skills as a voice artist, an MC, a club DJ, and work on your acting skills too. You may also be wondering how the club DJs don't make that much money, but somehow radio DJs get paid the big bucks to DJ in clubs. The reason is that the radio presenters bring in an audience to the club. You may have heard radio presenters on their radio shows saying, "Catch me tonight at this club." The idea is that the radio mention and the radio personality brings people to the club. So the club is paying for the audience, not actually for the DJ skills. In fact, most club DJs are more skilled than the radio DJs, but they can't bring in the people just like radio DJs can. So the radio DJ gets paid much more. In the same way that an actor could probably perform better in an advert than a radio DJ, and a professional MC could do a better job than a radio DJ at MCing, being on radio allows you to attract a bigger audience, and it also gives a stamp of credibility to the product or brand when a well-known person endorses it. All this said, making the big money as a radio DJ or presenter is often more to do with everything besides actually presenting on radio. But without being on radio, most of it may be impossible, no matter how good you may be at doing those things. So work on your MCing, DJing, acting, and voiceovers, but understand that you need to get onto radio first before those skills will be of any great value. I hope you enjoyed this video, so remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.